Lucia harap kay Felipe. Pass to Gonzalez, the shooter. Portero fires. And no good. Rebound by Mr. EJ, number 6 of the All-Stars. Briones. Rivero. Villa. Felipe. Rivero. Steal by Mr. Yun. Easy 2 points from Mr. Yun. Certified captain. Last ng Epo.
Yun.
Okay, Felipe. Mr. David. The Black Felipe. Rivero. Felipe. No good. Rebound by Mr. Excitement. Rebound. Pass to Rivero. EJ. Pass to Felipe. Easy 2 points. Sorry. Easy 2 points there. Okay, rebound by Mr. I forgot his name. Fires Yun. Wow, back to back by Mr. Yun. Sorry ha, kaya sila idol. 5 points. 5-0, two shots score. Goal, Briones, Gonzalez. Easy 2 points by Mr. Dominic Briones.
Thank you, Matt. Thank you.
Still by Mr. Eden. Nanugan ka naman yung balaw ng aking idol ngayon. Si Marawan. Naliban ni Mr. Eden. Pass to Mr. Felipe. Briones. Vicky. Briones. Villa. Pag-easy ko ka kay Mr. Rivero, number 11. Ganda ng ikot ng aking idol ni Mr. David Benito. Sayang lang. Sumabak. Porteya.
Yeah, tama. 5-4.
5-4 after 1. Missed by Mr. Yu. Rebound by Mr. Rivero. Number 11, pass to my idol, David Benito. EJ. Briones. Galaw ni Briones na yan. Manakinaw, mahusay pang umalaw. Ang kapa. 6-5, Phil Favor. Yun. Pass to Gonzalez. Rubia. Foul, number 25. 2 free throw by Mr. Rubia. Rubia in the line. Free throw.
Okay lang.
Number 12.
Okay lang. Should not be.
First attempt is good by Mr. Rubia to 12. Kaya sa tayo, wala pa yung ating isang referee at mamaklama. Good evening to Mr. Barangay Rain. Wala iyak, nagkalalaki. Second attempt is missed. Rebound by Mr. Cordero. Score, 6 on. 6 up. Good evening to Mr. Steven Andiola. Briones. Marunong by Mr. Jones. Rebound by Rubia. Huli ito pa ito, number 3. Hindi pa lang pumuputok. Ganda ng pasa. Back to Mr. Rubia. Foul. Number 45. Oh, Briones. First. Personal foul by Mr. Briones.
8. Goodbye, please.
First attempt is good.
Yeah, 5 minutes.
Mr. Banes. Number 3.
Tama.
Yes.
Tama. Then, oh.
Rebound by Mr. Porteya. Ganda ng pasa ni Porteya.
Time out. Official time out.
Score 9-6 ang score ito. 9-6.
Patayin mo na oras.
Yeah, it's 9-6.
Ariel, stop clock.
Sit down more. Sit down more. It says
It's recording now. Yeah.
Okay, Santiago Briones. Yun ang may wala pa. Mr. Nice guy. Will Patrick. Same ball. Okay. Good evening. Kay Mrs. Ariola, ha? Asawa ni Coach Steven Ariola. Briones, what a move, man. Ganda move. But my day, a good spin and a good shot. Portella. Portella, score 9-8. Yun! Rebound by Ruby yata. At yun! Gonzales. Ako, shooter to. Pasok na yan. Ay, malamig pa. Uy! All-star ball. Mr. Santiago Lawrence, the Flash. Santiago number 10. China to Batesa. Rebound by Mr. Rubiana. Number 12. Pass to Portella. Good.
Ay.
Malamig pa si Mr. Rubiana. Lakas lurong ko. Malamig pa si Mr. Number 8. Shooter to eh. Mahusay itong batang to. Mahusay itong batang ito. Si
Yeah.
Gonzales. Di ba lang nag-iinit? Santiago. Santiago looking for teammate. Santiago pass to Briones. Briones. Miss rebound by Miss number 12. Rubia. Rubia pass to you. Gonzales. Uy, makakalamig pa rin. Rebound by Mr. Ah. Okay. Estrada, pass to Batesa, pass to Briones. Fires, miss, rebound by Soto, pass to Portella, Portella, Portella. Yun! Yan po sa may buhat, Mr. Yun. Ayos po ikaw na po yan. Score, 12-8. Up by 4, 35 Chapman. Mahusay talaga ito siya. Yun, itong Berger eh. Number 9. Pass to Briones, pass to Lawrence Santiago. Briones. 62 Booker, lupit na kayo. Uy, and goal pala yun. Number 13, foul. Soto. Bonus up by Mr. Briones. One. Briones. Ayaw maging yun. Briones. Portella. Malamig pa siya. Oh, Gonzales talaga. Lawrence the Flash. Miss, rebound by Mr. Yun. Ang hands pa sa Chapman. Ako, Chap. Steal by Mr. Paddy. Pass to Estrada. Pass to Santiago. Fires. Score. 3 balls. Out of bounds. White ball. Chapman ball. Inbound by Mr. Rubia. Yun. Yun. Maganda itong laban ko. Seryoso ang mga. Yun. Uy! 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 Na ang bata. Bata-bata. Paano ka ginawa? Muntik na yung idol. Muntik na yung anak ng ating idol. Si Mr. Steven. Okay lang kaya si idol ano? Idol. Yan pa naman ang bumubuhat. Si Mr. Yun. Pero masakit yun. Okay lang yung ating bata dyan. Okay lang, idol. Oh, take your time. Pwede tayo maganda ng ating
Oh, sub. You can sub. You can sub. Sub.
Okay.
No, he doesn't want to go.
Oh, pagpag mo lang yan.
He's not going out.
Portella. Pass to Gonzales. Gonzales. Rubia. Rubia. Pass to Yun. Bata ka ito bumubuhat eh. Number 9. Gonzales. Pass itong short. Yan, malap. Pag may nakaminit ah. Santiago. Santiago. Uy! Ganda ng check ni Mr. Rubia ko. Uy! Naman! Talagang nabusit. Kaplas talaga di sa album eh.
Yan.
Si Santiago. Okay, tapos na po ang first quarter. sila. Okay. Okay, this is score up by 1. 12-11, up by 1. Certified Chapman. Certified Chapman. Let's go. Okay. Okay.
I'm done.
Ano?
Have a good night.
Ha? Oh, para
On defense, I'm gonna work my ass off. But go ahead, Alvin.
At saka ang ating malaking hit rate, 250, okay? Pwede cash, pwede gel, okay? Huwag kayong makakalimot. Okay. Kaya tayo para hindi tayo ulit. First five, Panes, Soto, Rubia, Gonzalez, Ortega, EJ, Lawrence, Derigue, Novero, Diaz. Okay? Let's play, guys. Derigue, Santiago. Pass to EJ. EJ pass to Diaz. Diaz. Oh, God. Santiago. The flash. Rebound by Mr. Banes. Number 3. Mahusay dito batang to, di pa na pumuputok. Rubia. Banes. Looking for teammates. Rubia. Looking for Banes. Haras by Mr. EJ. Off skill by Mr. Odero. Tia. Consistent. Derigue. Santiago. Derigue. Okay. Setting the play. Diaz. Yung pa naman ang basa mo. Oh, foul number 13, Soto. Mr. Diaz will taking 2 free throws. Most of them is good. Running back to by Mr. Jet.
Good work, Jet. Finally. Hey, you okay?
Selling his miss. Rebound by Mr. Soto. Pass to Rubia. Portela. Good pass. Sayang. Rebound by Novero. Oh, turn. Novero. Pass to Mr. Gavin Derigue. The flash.
Novero.
EJ. Derigue. Fouls. Miss. Rebound. Rebound by Mr. Gavin Derigue again. Shooting the guard. Foul. Number 12. Soto, I think. Oh, hey. Timeout. On-star. Okay, timeout on-star. At ang start Soto. Timeout. Okay, wala sa bituwa. Nakakaya ni Boss Idol na.
Soto. You got 2 fouls. Soto.
Score, Soto. Okay, resume guys. 7 minutes, 31 seconds. 7 minutes, 32 seconds. FAO-CBL ball. Novero. Derigue. Santiago. Diaz. Sayang. Oh, foul. Foul number 3. Banes. Novero will be the titular. First figure is good by Mr. Novero having the play. Okay. Good. Score 14-12, King Jaguar. Up by 2. Rubia fires. Foul number 25, Enrique. Porteya. Rubia, fake. Ganda ng fake. Porteya. Ganda naman ng fake ni Porteya na yun. 82 points. Score. 40 long. Okay? Enrique. Gavin. Enrique tackle. Santiago. Enrique. Haras by Mr. Portera, number 0. Walang yan naman yung M1 na yun. Foul number 3. Maganda yung pinakita ni Boss Idol doon. Gusto ko yung substitution. 5 minutes. Substitution. Novera out, Pia out, TJ out, Sanjay out, Tubatesa in, Estrada, Briones. Oh, nangyari? Oh, good. Gonzalez out, Yung in.
Gonzalez.
Score.
Yeah, shoot. In. 1. Yeah, 17, yeah.
17-14. Yun! Wala yan. Buti talaga na itong batang ito. On 17. Yung ang ganda na bumubuhat sa inside. Enrique. Pass to Santiago Lawrence. Enrique Gabi. Looking for teammate. Pass to Estrada. Pass to Briones. Still by Mr. Rubia. Rubia back to Portella. Looking for teammate. Back to Rubia. Change flavor, guys. 20-17, up by 3. Chapman. Ganda ng ball rotation na pinakita ng mga bata na to. Lawrence Santiago. Pass to Enrique. Pass to San. Rebound by Mr. Vanes. Number 3. Soto. Portella. Yun. Rubia look. Yun. Portella. Soto. Ganda ng pasa ni Portella. Kay Soto. Time out. Onside. Matindi yung pinakita niya ni Mr. Ganda ng play na yun. Score 22-17, up by 5. Chapman. Aanit ko mga to. Pero magandang ball rotation. Mahusay. Magaling kayo mga bata. Okay. 22-17, up by 5 points. Chapman, 35. Ang bumubuhat ko ay number 9, Mr. Yun. Mahusay sa press, mahusay sa shooting. Ganda ng photo-rating ng mga bata. Mahusay. Pagpatuloy niyan. Wala nga yung dito ang labanong sa atin na oiso na, di ba? Okay. Wala nga dito pumasok sa championship. Next game between rookies and
6-3.
Wala.
Isaiah 6-3 at saka rookies. Next game, guys. Okay? Enrique, Estrada, Briones, Santi, Enrique.
Reset!
Hindi pa pinamita sa ito. Briones. Rebound by Mr. Estrada. Pass to Rivero. Rebound by Soto. Walang hiya. Yun. Number 9. Pass to Panes. Walang bantay. Bang! Pasok yan. Walang bantay sa Anson. yan po ang bumubuhat, ha? He's carrying the team, right? Alright. Mahusay kang baka ka. Gusto na. 28-19. Berrigue. Estrella. Santo Batesa. Briones. Estrella. Uy. Alam ko, kumito. Batesa. Vivanta Estrella. Pass to Briones. Okay, second to play. Berrigue. Gavin Berrigue. Uy. Briones. Buhay lang niya. O tindi nun.
Pero yung bata mo.
Ah.
Oh.
Number 9.
You.
Yes, number 3.
9 na mo yun.
9 ba? Hindi, number 3 ang palo. Ano bilang yun?
Dalawa.
Feels good. Ready.
May both. Dalawa, no? Dalawa.
Portella. Otto. Rebound by Mr. Briones. 20 seconds. Briones. Estrada. Berrigue. 10 seconds. Estrada. Pass to Batesa. Briones. Berrigue. Oops. Rebound by Briones. Wow! Signature speed move by Mr. Briones. 28-23, up by 5. Chapman. 7 seconds. 5,
5, 4.
4. Okay. End of second quarter. Okay, guys. 28-23.
Naka-score si Bjorn dito, di ba?
Yeah. Yeah,
No,
field
no.
goal. Field goal right there. Field goal.
Wala ka nabilis sa dito.
Yeah, no, field goal right there. That's it.
28-23.
Hindi na pauto ko si Banis na doon. Kung Banis, tatlo na, di ba?
Hindi. Binigay ko sa
Sabi kaya kayo yun na lang.
na makakuha, hindi pa rin.
Okay. First man, Santiago, Berrigue, DJ, Briones, Villa. White ball, Portella, Rubia, Soto, Yung, Gonzales. Hindi ko po yung bata mo, number 8 na yun eh. Kung hindi ko sa test. Kaso, hindi ko po yung bulat. Malamit pa. Portella, Yung. Pagkukuhan, Berrigue, Gonzales. Yung. Yung number teammate. Rubia, Soto, Rubia. Wow. Yung, Rubia. Rebound by Soto. Uy, foul tayo dyan. Pumunta ka ng mabibigyan ka ng talibang pagkakataon. Subukan makasog sa free-throw. Idol.
Present nga.
First attempt is no good. We have another chance. Brother.
Uy,
Kailangan mo tulog dyan?
guys na.
Okay ka lang?
Manood ko na.
Si Derek nandiyan ba?
Wala eh.
It's Mr. Rebound.
Wala eh. May motor ata eh.
Mismo pa rin, ha?
Mr. Lawrence Santiago. Santiago. Utang ng talon. Sayang yun. Rebound by Soto. Yun, pass to Portela. Gonzalez, back to Portela. Portela. Try to take Mr. Santiago. Wow! Uy, sayang yun. Ganda ng tugtog. Sumalalang.
Good pass.
Derrigue. Dia, Briones, Lot. Wow, nakalaki. Naku ba, nakagawin? Portela. Score, 28-23, up by 5. Chapman. Portela. Rubia. Miss, rebound by Mr. Dia, pass to Santiago. Pass to Briones. Wow! Nice good block by Mr. Briones. 28-25, up by 3 points. Chapman. Hindi pa nakakabuta ng Chapman ah. Yun. Kaya, hindi ba ito? Ay, talagang hindi pa nga. Rebound by Mr. Derrigue. Wow, nakalalaki. Stage, one stage.
5 minutes. 5 minutes.
Dia. Still by foul, Mr. Dia.
Uy, may short kayo ah.
Yun, patay na yan. Pag hindi naman na yan eh, talagang parang may alulot. Pusay ka ba? Gusto na. Derrigue. Winning to Mr. Barangay Ray Guerrero. Dia again. Pinasa sa kay Rubia. Nakalalaki yung pupa. Score 33-25, up by 8 points. Chapman. Derrigue. Santiago fires. Patay na yan. Ay, wala pa si Tutoy. Rebound by Soto. Rubia. Pass to Yun. Portela. Pass to Gonzalez. Ayaw talaga. Malamig si Idol. Malamig pa si Idol. Derrigue. Setting up play. Dia. Back to Derrigue. Ganda ng munon. Sayang. Sumala. Yung ganda ng munon. Idol. Talagang makalat mo. 51-80. Substitution. Palit muna. Ang mga sariwa pasok. Ang mga nabubulok, labas muna. Okay. Good evening to Mr. Barangay Ray
Guerrero.
Barangay Ray Guerrero. Kapulis. Patauy. Sumala. Given by Mr. Tumadesa. Pass to Santiago. Tumadesa. Looking for teammates. Santiago. Pass to Briones. Ang ganda ng pasang niya naman. Matindi yung pasang yan ni Mr. Bob Briones. Kung nakasaan magkakampiyon, candidate for MVP, Mr. Dominic Briones. Ito ang ito po. Number 9. Rubia. Patay na naman. Malakas. Uy, still by Mr. Portela. Portela. He got his rhythm. Mahuli ang batang yan. Number 8 na yan, si Gonzales. Masutik yan. Mahusay sa shooting yan. Hindi palang pumuputo kanina. Once he got his rhythm, Rodriguez. No. Oh. Uy. Riba na gusto. Portela. Looking for teammates. Pass to Rubia. Rubia. Nako. Walang pantay. Score. 38-27. Up 11 points. Chapman. Nakikinig na mga batang Chapman. 25. Mahusay. Briones. Maganda na naman yung wala kaya naman yung inulot na naman. Napakahusay ng touch and pass na yun. Gusto ko yun. Mahusay ka. Yun. Time out. One. Good time out. Got two. Two time out score. Score. 38-29. Up by 8 points. Chapman. 35. Ang pero na kaya, pero lakas na mag-set siya. At, lang. Up by 8 points. Ano kaya, pagtuloy-tuloy na mga idol. Abangan, susunod ka ba nata? Sabi na kayo, test ko na. Wala lang yan. Official referee, Mr. Mario and Kitty Boy, Chris.
The name. Oh, ang ganda dapat makakagawa siya. 30 minutes.
Who's the over there?
Hindi pa. Pagkanin pa.
White ball. Chapman. Inbounding by Mr. Banes. Portela. Wow, naging stick yun. Foul, number 11 to the Gesa. Lucky set. Dahil sa ngayon, nakakana yung ating mikropono. Mahina ang baterya. Bakit ay sa English? Banes inbounding the ball. Yun. Gonzales. Yan na. Ay, sayang yun. Rebound by Briones.
Briones.
Santiago. And Mr. David Enriquez from downtown. Score 38-32. Up by 6 points. Chapman, 25. Portela. Rebound by Mr. Santiago. Rodriguez. Sayang yun. Rebound by Mr. Santiago. Pass to Zapateta. Fires. Miss. Rebound by Mr. Rubia. Pass to Portela. Uy! Miss by Mr. Gonzales. Rebound by Mr. Banes, number 3. Looking for teammates. Pass to Portela. Gonzales, Portela. Oh, it's only 2 points, they said. You're selling the left side, boss. The left side is only 2 points.
7.
6 seconds.
5.
And Mr. Santiago! Oops, wala na po tayong oras.
San Diego yun.
Score, 41-35.
San Diego.
Yes. Oh, sorry guys. It's only 40-35. 2 points lang yun doon. Kaya ni Portela. It's only 2 points. So 40-35.
2 points?
Up by...
And his shot was only a 2, right?
Was it 2 points? Ni Chris? Mario?
Hey, down to 2. Down to 2. He said.
Sorry guys, it's only 2 points, okay? Official score, 40-35, Chapman 35, up by 5 points, okay? Score, Score, 40-35. Alright, start 4th quarter. All-star ball. Okay, Mr. Derrigue. Pagod na rin ito kung paano kung ito. San? Mr. Sendero! Walang yayo. 40-38, up by 2 points. Gumaganda ang laro natin. Dumigit siya. Yun. Gonzales. Gonzales, Rubia. Rubia. Portela. Portela. Banes. Rubia. By Mr. Rubia. Ayaw din bumitaw.
2 points, Rubia.
42-38, up by 4. 4 points, 35, Chapman. Mahusay itong mga bata nito. Aanin. Ayaw bumitaw, lamang pa. Derrigue. Santiago. Derrigue. Rebound by Mr. Gonzales. Pass to Yun. Yun. Number 9. Yun. Screen by Rubia. Yun. Pinaluwa. Sana lang. Rebound by Mr. Santiago.
Navarro.
Santiago. Okay, setting the play. Navarro. Santiago. Briones. Briones, pinagkatluhan. Umikot. Power. Oops. Supply. Sayang doon. Walang yung save. Rubia save the ball. And then, sayang yung kay Mr. Donald Briones na magandang move na yun.
He's foul.
Foul number 10, Santiago. Banes. Rubia.
What's up, foul? Hey.
3 points. Gonzales. Gonzales, 3 points.
3 points. 1-28. Derrigue. Galing ng mga batang ito. Derrigue. Rebound by Mr. Banes. Pass to Yun. Ito po ang batang ito magiging player of the game natin yata. Yun kung sakasaan para na nanalo. Okay, number 9. Pass to Portela. Dito ang batang ito. Portela, pass to Banes. Okay. Substitution. Estrella out to Batesa in. That's big, man. 45-41. Still up by 4 points. 35 Chapman. Yun. Gonzales. Inakas na ni Mr. Tuwalya sa Gonzales. Nakita kong nagkabigyan eh. Portela. Haras by Mr. Pero next kayo, sayang. Good. Wanna go to people.
Kubadesa one.
Foul number 7 to Batesa. Mr. Portela will grant it 2 free throws. First free throw is good by Mr. Portea. Second attempt is good. 47-41. Up by 6 points. Chapman 35. Santiago. Blocked by Mr. Shooter. Gonzalez. Santiago. Berrigue.
Open! Open!
Rebound by Mr. Yun, number 9. Pagbubuhat kanina. Second na play. Portea. Wow naman mo! That's big! Walang kaya yung tirang yun, Mr. Portea. Binitira na. Sumpa. 49-41, up by 8 points. Pero sige. Easy to. Patay na yan kay kumparing idol. Score, 49-43, up by 6 points, 35, Chapman, Mr. Yun, second the play. Rubia.
Oh, nice!
Oh, pinawat. Pinawat yun. 51-43, up by 8 points. Sorry, hindi pa. Santiago, ano kaya? Papalit pa kaya ng kapalaran ito? Briones. Sayang yun. Portea. Portea. Nag-aamoy na. Ay, yun. Sa idol duty. Portea. Rubia. Rubia. Miss, rebound back to Badesa. Pass to Santiago. Briones. Briones. Uy, ang ganda na naman ang pasa. Yun, kaya lang. Rebound by Mr. Rubia. Pass to Yun. Ang bumuhat kaninang first half. Si Mr. Yun, number 9. Portea. Oh, 3 seconds violation. Substitution. Briones out, PH. Pagod na si Mr. Dominic Briones. Talagang nahingi sa kuwet. Santiago. Hey! Si Santiago po ang bumubuhat
2
ngayon.
points, 2 points.
51-40. Yung, uy! Gonzalez. Gonzalez. Foul. Number 11 to Badesa. Score 51-45. Up by 6 points. 35 Chapman. Nakalain mo yun. Brother by 2 people. Mr. Banis number 3. First keeper is good by Mr. Banis number 3. 52-45. On-score ball. 52-45, up by 7 points. Umisa po tayo mga idol sa ating last quarter. Shot clock, 20 seconds. Portea. 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 Patay na ng uy, sumasalang second. Napakagod. Ang lakas. Kapasok na. Wow, napakagod yung boss idol. Wala. Yun.
Yeah, but fuck half.
Yun. Nakuha ko ni Idol. Nakuha ni Idol. Ang lakas mo, Idol. Ang lakas ni Rubia. Kita na yung katawa ko. Napakayak eh. Ano bang gagawin?
Foul number 10 again.
1-1. Ang lakas itong maglaro batang ito. Sayang. Kung mag-istar magaling ako ng bata.
Ayun.
Ang laki din ako nito. Ay, siya! Nakuha ko nito ang area.
Malakas yun.
Kaya nakakala ako na sa bitaw eh. Napailig yung tatay.
Hey! Yan ang sinasabi ko. Dapat kanina pa yun eh. 52-48. Up by 4 points. 75 Chapman.
Sayang yung kay Mr. Santiago na yun.
Fourth quarter, 56 seconds.
Is that your last timeout? Last timeout.
Up by 4 points. Chapman.
On-start, 2 more timeouts. Okay, resume.
56 seconds ha? Yung shot na. Kasabihin ko ba shot na kasabihin ko?
Yeah.
17 seconds ba yan?
24.
17 minutes.
Hindi, mag-reset yan. Mag-reset.
Gonzalez, foul number 11 to Vanessa.
5 fouls na ata yan. 5 fouls na.
3 fouls, Mr. to Vanessa, 3 fouls. Ano ito, 1-1? Free throw. 1-1 again. 1-1 guys, 1-1. Gonzalez, number 8. Kaya pa sumahal ang bagong kami. Shooter. 54-48. Second attempt is good. 54-48. Santiago. Rebound by Mr. Rubia, fouled by number 25, Derrique. 1-1 again, 1-1. Wow.
Two free throws.
This is big. Sino kayo makakalaban ng mga batang ito sa finals? Would it be Isaiah 16 or the rookies, the newcomer team, rookies? Oh, Tisha. First attempt is missed by Mr. Rubia, number 12. Salo. That's big rebound by Mr. Cortella. Foul number 11. Wow. Ano kaya? They're up by 6 points, guys. Chapman, 6 points up. Next game would be between the rookies and the reigning champion, Isaiah 63.
I know.
Wow. First free throw is good. First attempt is good. Sa karakan, certified Chapman. Ipapalit kayo ng hawang. Wow! What net? Bakay na!
56-48. Up by 8 points. Chapman. Briones. Easy 2 points by Mr. Briones.
Wow! Hoy!
The score 56-50. Rubia, free throws. Mr. Rubia. Okay. Also ball. 57-50, up by 7 points. 35, Chapman. Mahusay yung mga batang ito. Victoria.
They have timeout. They have timeout.
20 seconds.
Half court, half court.
Timeout, blue, on-star. Okay, pahinga, pahinga. Okay, resume. 20 seconds. 57-50. Up by 7 points. Rebound by Rubia. Foul, number 45.
Nah, let's go.
Good evening to Mr. Steven Ariola. Salamat sa pagtangkilik ng ating gate tubig. Tubig piso. Okay, pipi. Walang problema. Kilala ko kayo. Mahututos pa ito mga ito. Rubia, first time is good. Up by 8 points. Second time is good. Wow! Oh, 2 seconds. 59-53. Up by 6 points. Rubia. In the line.
Jan, 11.
Good. Kumalik na sa free throw si Rubia. Ano nga, lalast tayo lang. Shoot, shoot. Rubia, 1 point. Second attempt is good. 61-53. 2 seconds. That's it. Congratulations. And see you in the finals. Top point 25. Congratulations, guys. Okay? Congratulations, congratulations. Our next game is between rookies and the reigning champion, Isaiah 6'3", who's gonna be the next team to go up north, go in the final. Wow.
Charlie.
Good evening. Ikaw na next team. Wala na nakakain sa...
Hey, I want to explain another team photo.
Iba talaga si Manager Steven. Tayo yung pa-t-shirt pa. Siyempre, may wonder ka yan. Lang yan. Ito, kalaban ng 6'3". O siya, puro mga celebrity na mga narito eh. Sina Dwight, sina Jack Anderson, o po siya. Patindi. Lagyan din itong mga ito. Laksamana, Bustamante, Geronimo, Mitra, Hawks, Campbell, Anderson, Ariola. Congratulations to you guys today. Okay, Penny. Okay. Yeah, tama yun, bro. Jason O'Malley.